So instead of using my usual DIY after braid oil, I'm gonna give this oil a try and see the difference it makes on my scalp. I have new braids with no product in it. Hi beauties! Today I'm trying the Mielle Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Growth Oil instead of my usual DIY after braid oil. Yeah, I want to try it on my day-old braid and I want to see the difference it makes on my scalp after a few days, so let's do it. So I'm just massaging the oil into my scalp. I love the cooling effect it has on the scalp. I think it's from the mint and it smells really good. Smells really minty and fresh, so I love that about it. So this is day 6 of my braids and a quick review of the Mielle oil from my last video. So I applied the oil on my scalp, and after 3 days after the first application, since I didn't get a lot of itching on my scalp, and I also used dry shampoo on the 3rd day because of my workouts. So I really like this oil and the benefits of the ingredients it has. So I will continue to use this oil, and I do recommend it to be used during protective styles. So I really like the ingredients it has, which are so good to the scalp, like jojoba oil, soybean oil, peppermint oil, to name a few that caught my attention. So having a great moisturizing oil with nourishing benefits will help greatly with healthy hair, and in the long run it would also promote hair growth. So I love this most especially because of the rosemary, as I've had great results with it. I do live in Asia, in the Philippines, so if this is out of stock on Amazon and with the shipping costs, I would definitely do a DIY with rosemary oil. So subscribe if you like to see that and more DIY products and creations for natural hair and protective styles. So just a quick disclaimer, everything that's mentioned is my choice to try the product and my personal point of view and recommendations.